did you move to Ghana? If you cannot answer that one, answer the second one. When is your next cooking video coming out? I will be waiting for months.
Wow, those are two of the most asked questions on my social media since I announced that I moved to Ghana. Okay, and I've not answered it yet officially on any platform too. So let me answer to you guys, okay? Since we're a close, intimate crowd. Now, I moved to Ghana because my parents, well, there's so many cameras recording some more!
Nobody is letting this chance slip. Okay, everybody is recording. Oh, this is official, this is official.
So I moved to Ghana. One of the main reasons was because my parents are there. My parents have been there for about 2-3 years. They are doing some consultation work for a Malaysian company in Ghana. So, you know, when he asked me if I had an interest of coming or not, I was like, Ghana, whoa. You know? But when I spoke to my wife about it, you know, she felt adventurous about the idea. And, you know, our 2 kids were also young enough, you know, to be agile and adapt to a new environment. And we thought, we also didn't want to come to a point where maybe 10 years later, we think to ourselves that, you know, we should have gone. You know, because the opportunity might not come again. And then at the same time, we also wanted my parents to have close proximity with their grandchildren too. So with all of that put together was the reason why we went. And at the same time, I needed new inspiration. I needed a new adventure. I've been doing this for 15 years, guys. 15 years. Ever since 2010, I started this. And, you know, from being on TV, 3, AFC, then AFN, and then starting my own social media, YouTube channel. So I needed a little bit of change in terms of environment and the things that I was doing. So that's also one of those reasons. So I hope that answers your question, huh? Yes?
If he says yes, why don't clap your hands? Just another. No, come on. This is like first-hand information, never explained, never answered on any platform.
On the second question, when am I going to quote-unquote start work again? Very soon. Very, very soon. It took a little bit of time because, as I mentioned earlier, Ghana is a very different place. So in terms of how we perceive food, in terms of how you go and buy ingredients, is also very different. Just to give you an example, here when we want to cook something, we go to any market, we buy whatever we want, and everything is available to us at relatively very cheap prices. In Ghana, almost everything is available. However, it is not all at the same place. Everything is very scattered. That is one. Secondly, ingredients are exceptionally, well, a lot of the ingredients are exceptionally expensive. For example, broccoli is $18 a head. Huh? Yes. So, in the past 5 months, I've not had broccoli. You think I'm joking? I'm not. My wife is crying to eat broccoli.
I mean, you're serious?
I'm serious.
18
$18 per head of broccoli. Yesterday I was in Tesco. It's $2.99.
Yeah.
I also shake my head.
Malaysia.
You know, so pei chai, the long Chinese cabbage. Huh? Yes, it's 100 ringgit.
For one box.
Yes. So when I want to eat that one, I must sing nasi wa uji pa bana. Baru peja.
Oh goodness, one like that, already 100.
Yes. So I will still, to answer your question, I will soon, but I'm still sort of figuring stuff out. The first couple of months was rather difficult for me, my wife, because we're also sorting out schooling for the children and all that. So creating content wasn't the first thing in my head. I was really just trying to sort out the family, sort out the places we stay, sort out the new environment I was living in, and all that sort of stuff. So once, I promise you, once things are a little bit more settled, I will start again. Okay? Maybe I will teach you how to cook Ghana food.
Okay, anticipating, look forward for it, right? Yeah, looking forward for it. Answer your question, huh? Fantastic. Both question answer, you expected one. You expected one, and then you get both your question answered. Are we still open? Let me ask Sherson first.
Yes, we can open.
We can
a
still,
little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more. We still got time. Anybody? Yeah, oh, right over there. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Going traffic, sorry.
See, once the elephant is out of the room, suddenly all the questions will come.
Yes, here comes the question. All right, don't worry. I'll just stand right over here. So, come on. I'll pass you the mic.
Hi, Chef.
Hello.
I've got two questions. My first question is, what was the stick that you put, what were those two sticks that you put into the soup? And my second question is, when we visit our hometowns, I know we all like to bring back the goods that we love. So when you leave Malaysia,
Darling,
what are you packing?
my wife gave me, I came back by myself for 5 days. I brought 2 huge ass suitcases. One is half empty, the other one is full empty. So I'm going back with a lot of stuff. Now to answer your question, this is what we put in. This is ginger torch flower. You can smell it, it's absolutely fragrant. And this is one of my absolute favorite herbs of Malaysia that I like to use. And it's definitely following me back to Ghana. So we use this part for